Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how you can write a song using ChatGPT. Let's say you are an artist, you are a musician, or you are a singer, and you would like to write a song. You know some words, but you would like to write a complete song based upon those words. What you can do is you can actually use ChatGPT to write a beautiful song. I will show that in a minute. Today being Saturday, I'm going to make it a bit casual. So in this video, we're going to write a song using ChatGPT. Let's say you are a rapper, okay? You like to rap and you have some words in your mind, okay? You have some words in your mind and you want to write a song based upon that, based upon those words, okay? So I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I'm going to say ChatGPT that I'm going to share a few words with you. In the next line, could you please write a rap song for me? Okay, I'm going to share a few words with you in the next line. Could you please write a rap song for me? So it's a simple prompt. I'm going to hit enter. Let's see what it is going to say. It says, of course, I would be happy to help you create a rap song. Please share the words with me and I will turn them into a catchy rap for you. Now, let's give some random words, okay? Okay, I'm going to type hero, pink, rainbow, Denmark, lion, uh, bicycle, running, grass, gold, swimming, poetry, win, Pluto is a planet. Okay, so these are the words hero, pink, rainbow, Denmark, lion, bicycle, running, grass, gold, swimming, poetry, win, Pluto. So I'm asking ChatGPT to write a rap song based upon these words. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit enter and see how it goes. In a few seconds, ChatGPT is giving the rap song after hitting enter. So if you see now the verse 1, it says, I am a hero in the spotlight, shining so bright. Pink skies above like a magical sight. Riding through the rainbow in Denmark's grace. Lion-hearted, fearless in the rap race. Pedal to the metal on my bicycle flow. Running through the streets where dreams tend to grow. Feeling the grass beneath my feet so green. Chasing after gold like a determined machine. I'm swimming through life with a heart full of fire, writing poetry in motion, reaching higher. I'm destined to win like a champion's creed. From Earth to Pluto, there is no limit, no speed. I'm the king of the jungle, a lion in the game. Roaring through challenges, I'm staking my claim. Running wild through the beat, can't be tamed. On this lyrical journey, my spirits are flame. So if you see now, it's giving a beautiful rap song, guys. So if you are an artist, if you are a musician, or if you are a singer, and if you want to take assistance from ChatGPT to write some songs, and if you already have some words in your mind, you can just put it in ChatGPT tool and it is going to give a beautiful rap song or normal song. It need not be a rap song, it could be poetry or it could be a normal song that if you would like to create, then you can use ChatGPT. So it is very very useful not only for engineers, even for the artists to write articles, write poetry, create songs. It will be very, very useful. So I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.